my channel. So today I will be organizing my hair product collection. These are all of my hair products. I'm trying to organize this to make this easier for me to find my products because right now they're just like everywhere. In a second I'll show you guys where I've been keeping them. First I am going to section them with the shampoos, conditioners, leave-in conditioners, gels, creams. I went to Dollar Tree and I found some of these little bins right here. So when you open them up, they look like this. They're just a square little bin that I'm gonna put all my shampoos and conditioners and all that stuff in. And I have quite a few because as you can see, I got quite a lot of stuff. Seriously, I didn't even know I had this much stuff until I just took everything out and was like, oh, I can't deal with it anymore. Let me go ahead and put everything up. So I'm gonna show you guys where I have been storing all of these items. All right, guys, so this is a bathroom sink and I have been storing them underneath here. I've had all of them just sitting underneath there. And I got a bin right there. I just want to see how much space I had in there. So I'm going to put some of them back underneath there. I've cleared out 3 shelves for them. One at the top, this, below it, and right here. So I'm thinking all of these should be able to fit in here and I won't have to use them underneath my sink anymore. So that's the first one. So I already tried and 3 of them can fit in each one. So I can put 1, 2, 3 and then 3 in there. So that's 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 of them can fit in here. So hopefully I can get all of these products. Oh my God, it's so freaking much, y'all. All right, guys, so I think I'm gonna start off with the collection. So I'll start off with finding all the collections and then all of my randoms. I'll do the shampoos, conditioners, leave-ins, and all that stuff. So let's go ahead and get started. So it's deep conditioners and curl creams, the oils and serums right there, conditioners, co-wash, all of my gels, some random stuff that I really don't use that much, like the wrap mousse, temporary hair color, hairspray, moisturizing mist. These are my butters. Now most of these are the ones I made, and then this one is my everything butter from Tailored Beauty. Also my leave-ins right there, my moisturizers, and then these are my collections, my Chi collection, my Revlon collection, Suave, Taylor Wajid, Apogee, Kerastase, random shampoos, ORS Unleashed, and Aussie. Then I have the Curl Essence by Kara over there. What I'm gonna do next is I plan on putting, and I hope I have enough of these things. I'm gonna start stacking the ones probably I have the most of, and those I probably need 2 for some items. So yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and start organizing it in these little boxes. So I finally organized everything, and I'm gonna tell you guys what I have in each. So in this one, we have my Curls Unleashed ORS line, and then we have my hair moisturizers. I can make labels and put the labels on here before I forget what I have in each. But yeah, so this is my, and if I do labels, I'll take a picture and show you guys what they look like. I'll put that in this video. This one, we have my hair butters and stuff, and then we have my leave-in conditioners. And then we have some random stuff like my moisturizing mist and hairspray. So that's what's in there. This one, we have edge controls and oils and serums in this one. Oil serums, heat tamers, that stuff. In this one, we have a collection. So I have my Apogee in there, Aussie, and the Curl Essence. This one, we have all of my ORS products. Then in this one, we have the Taylor Wajid, the Kerastase. In this one, we have my Suave, Revlon, and Chi collection. This one, we have all of my gels. That one right there. This one is all of my conditioners and my co-wash conditioners as well. This one is all of my curl creams and stuff. So all curl creams in there. And this one we have my deep conditioner, all of my deep conditioners in there. I'll just be putting these up in my shelving. I can put 9 of these in my shelving, and then I think I'm just gonna get about 2 of them and put them underneath my counter. I'm just gonna go ahead. All right guys, so I'm back and I have all of my labels on everything. That one says curl creams, gel. That one says deep conditioners. ORS Curls Unleashed hair moisturizers, shampoos, conditioners, co-washes. Up here it says Highly Wajid, Kerastase, Aussie Alpha-G Curl Essence, ORS, and I did also label the other ones that are underneath my sink. Alright guys, so I hope you guys like this video, and I will talk to you in the next video. Don't forget to give me a like, share, and I'll see you later. Bye.